guys, welcome back to my channel Classic Makeover. Today I have come up with this glittery kind of engagement makeup look. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. So without doing any further delay, let's start the video. Here I have moisturized my face and also done my eyebrows. Here I have used the primer from Colorbar, Perfect Match Primer, which gives a satin finish on my skin. Now, with the help of this flat angled brush, I am going to clean borders of my eyebrows using the cream concealer from LA Girl Pro Contour Palette. I am using the concealer from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer to conceal around my eyes, and it is in the shade medium, and blending it with a wet beauty blender. To set on my lids, I am using here the light beige eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Then, with the help of this larger blending brush, I am going to pick this light orange eyeshadow and placing it on my outer crease. Then I'm going to pick this light shimmery pink eyeshadow from the small round fluffy Real Technique brush and placing it on my crease. Then I'm going to pick this light maroon shimmery eyeshadow with the small blending brush and place it on the outer corner of my crease. Now I'm going to pick this light maroon shimmery eyeshadow with a small blending brush and place it on the outer and inner corner of my crease and joining both the ends by blending it. I will cut crease on the between of my lids with the help of this small flat brush, and the concealer here is Maybelline Concealor in the shade light medium. Now picking this light brown shimmery eyeshadow, I am going to place it on the cut crease portion of my eyelids. Now I am going to pick this glitter pink eyeshadow from the palette named Glitter Box, which I took from a local drugstore, and placing it on my lids with the help of my ring finger. I'm gonna diffuse the sharp edges of glitter eyeshadow with this dark shimmery maroon eyeshadow. Now with this very flat brush, I'm going to pick this dark brown shimmery eyeshadow and drawing my lower lash line. I'm gonna also blend the eyeshadows on my outer crease to give it a soft and smooth look. The foundation I'm using here is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 108 Caramel Beige and blending it with a kabuki brush. To highlight the high points of my face, the concealer I am using here is from Maybelline New York Concealer in the shade medium. To cream contour my face, I am using here the Pro Contour palette from LA Girl. To set the concealer, I have used here the banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and with the large powder brush, I am gonna dust it out so that it spreads evenly on my face. I am gonna again take this light orange and maroon shimmery eyeshadow and smudge it on my lower lash line. The liner here is from Kiss Beauty and it is black jet in color. I personally like this liner because it dries up quickly and it is also super duper affordable. The mini bronzer I am using here is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 01 Topper with the help of this Real Technique buffing brush. I will use the compact powder from Coloressence in the shade Honey. The lipstick I have used here is from Kiss Beauty Hot Lips in the shade Cherry Pink and it's a crayon matte lipstick. The blush I am using here is from Meylon Professionals palette in the shade Light Pink, but due to some technical reason the shot got deleted. So please ignore it. Here I am using a liner pencil from Mars Professionals in the shade Golden to line my waterline. And here I am going to pick this silver pigmented eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution London palette and going to place this in the inner corner of my eye and using here a thin flat eyeliner brush. And the highlighter I have used here is from Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight palette in the shade Golden. And yes, I have completed with my engagement makeup look. What do you guys think? Please comment me on the comment box below. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have mentioned all the products details in the description box below. Thank you. Stay safe.